Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on how I made this banana pudding cheesecake. This cheesecake is delicious. It tastes exactly like banana pudding. So if you like banana pudding, you definitely have to try this out. It's very simple and easy to do. So with that said, let's get into the video. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and also follow me on Instagram. That will be linked in the description. But the first step you want to do is by starting off by making the crust. You just want to blend your vanilla wafers into a food processor until you have the desired amount for the crust. All the measurements and everything will be in the description. And then you want to add your melted butter into this and make sure to mix it well so there aren't any dry parts or the crust won't stick together as it should. Now you want to add your crust to a 9-inch greased springform pan, and you just want to form the crust. You can use your hands. I use the back of a measuring cup, or you can use a spoon, whatever works best for you. And then you want to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. And once it's done, set it aside to cool completely while we make the filling for the cheesecake. Now you just want to add your 3 large ripe bananas to a medium saucepan and just mash it together. Now I'm just going to add the brown sugar, the lemon juice, and the vanilla extract, and you just want to cook this on a medium-high heat until the brown sugar is dissolved and the bananas is cooked slightly. Once you're finished with that, you just want to set the banana mixture aside to cool completely before we add it to our cheesecake mixture, which we're going to start on right now. I'm using 4 bars of cream cheese here that is softened, and I'm just going to cream this until it's nice and smooth. Once that's done, you now can add your eggs one at a time until combined. And now you're just going to add your vanilla extract, and here I actually used too much. It's supposed to be 1 teaspoon, not 1 tablespoon, but it still tasted delicious. So if you like vanilla, you can add the 1 tablespoon, but the recipe, it says 1 teaspoon, just so you could know. I realized after the fact, but like I said, it still turned out great. So you just want to mix that in and then add your banana mixture. Make sure it's cooled. Do not add it if it's hot. Just put it in the fridge or whatever. And then you just want to mix this by hand into the batter. And that is the finished cream cheese mixture. Now you're going to add your cheesecake filling to your crust, and then we're going to move this to a larger cake pan and fill it halfway with warm water. And then we're going to put it in the oven at 350 for an hour. And this is what it looks like when it's done. It's slightly golden at the top, and this is what like the texture is. This was my first time making cheesecake, so I didn't really know what to look for. So for those who are new to making cheesecakes, that's what it turned out, and it turned out great. And for the whipped cream, you just want to add your cold whipping cream to a medium bowl and add your powdered sugar to this and just keep mixing this until it forms stiff peaks and a good consistency to hold the shape of the piping that we're going to do later on. Now you're going to add your whipped cream to a piping bag and just pipe it on however you like, and you can decorate this whichever way you like. I just followed the picture of the recipe, which will be linked in the description, so you guys can check that out. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. The original recipe link along with my Instagram will be in the description, so make sure you check it out. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you guys try out this cake. I definitely recommend it. It was very easy to do, and I think anyone can do it, and it tastes exactly like banana pudding. So if you like banana pudding, definitely try out this cheesecake and let me know how it went for you guys in the comments. But that is it. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.